Here's your first word in French. Bon. Bon. It means good. Bon. And here's your second word. C'est. C'est. This means it is. C'est. So how would you say in French, it is good? C'est bon. C'est bon. Now, you'll start to notice a lot of similarities between French and English words. For example, you might be able to guess the meaning of this next word, fantastique. Fantastique. It means fantastic. Fantastique. So how would you say in French, it is fantastic? C'est fantastique. C'est fantastique. Or here's another word that looks similar to English. Absolument. Absolument. It means absolutely. Absolument. So how would you say in French, it is absolutely fantastic? C'est absolument fantastique. C'est absolument fantastique. So we've had bon, bon, which means good. C'est means it is. Fantastique, fantastique means fantastic. And absolument, absolument means absolutely. Now here's a cute little word in French, ici. Ici. It means here. Ici. So how would you say it is here? C'est ici. C'est ici. How would you say it is good here? C'est bon ici. C'est bon ici. It is fantastic here. C'est fantastique ici. C'est fantastique ici. So we've had bon, which means good. C'est, meaning it is. Fantastique means fantastic. Absolument means absolutely. And ici means here. That lesson was from my course 3-Minute French. If you enjoyed it and would like to keep learning, you can enroll on the full course at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Merci.